In today's video, I'm starting to teach you how to delete a WordPress site. If you no longer need a website on WordPress.com, the platform makes it fairly simple to remove it, but it's important to go carefully because deleting a site is a serious action. Before you proceed, make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. This process is done from your WordPress.com dashboard, and once you're in the right place, the options is easy to find. To begin, go to the Sites page on WordPress.com. This is the main area where all of your connected WordPress sites are listed. If you're not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your dashboard. Once the page loads, you should see your available sites displayed there. Next, click on the site you want to delete. This step is very important because the settings you open will apply only to the site you select. Take a moment to confirm the site name before moving forward. If you have multiple websites for different projects, this quick check can help prevent deleting the wrong one by mistake. After opening the correct site, look for the settings option and click on it. The settings section is where WordPress.com keeps many of the site's management tools and account level controls. This includes general site options, configuration details, and at the bottom, the option to permanently remove the site. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't stop halfway because the delete option is placed near the bottom and can be easy to miss if you're moving too quickly. When you see the delete option, click on it. At this point, WordPress.com may show a warning or confirmation screen. Read that carefully before continuing. Deleting a site usually means the content, pages, posts, and settings associated with it may no longer be recoverable in the usual way. If there's anything you might need later, it's a good idea to pause here and make sure you've already backed it up before confirming the deletion. And that's it. The key steps are to open the Sites page, choose the correct website, go into settings, scroll to the bottom, and click delete. If you follow those steps carefully, you can remove a WordPress site cleanly and confidently.